Other industries, let us see on page number 57, E1, that is other industries. In this industry, the craft person manufactures goods by using local raw material with the help of his family members. Family members are working. Work is done mostly by hands and does not involve use of mechanical power. No machine. Products are produced for local use. For example, basket making, mat weaving, then papad making are some of the example of cottage industries. Second is ancillary industries. These product of these industry are used by other industries to make finished good. Finished means full made product. For example, tire and glass industries are ancillary industries for car industries. Next is footloose industry. Now, what is happening in footloose? That is, industries can be set up anywhere due to heavy availability, means we get raw material. For example, cosmetic means the ladies they use, that is cosmetic industries. Classification of industries on basis of weight of raw material. How is the weight of the raw material? Heavy industry. In industry in which heavy raw material is used, it is called heavy industries. For example, iron and steel, it is very heavy, so it is very difficult to take from one place to another. Second is light industry. In industry which lightweight raw material is used is called light industry. For example, cosmetic industry. Next, we are going to see industrial region. See, an area where many industries are there are and good facilities of transport, power, labor, water and communication is called industrial region. In India there are 8 industrial regions. In the world there are 4 industrial regions. The development of industries required basic facilities like, underline with the pencil, what we require? We require transport, communication, banking, market, power, 5 things, etc. All these facilities are called infrastructure. Infrastructure means what industry require. That is called as infrastructure. Indian economic is developing economic in place of developed economic due to low level of economic infrastructure. We don't have proper. And let us see that it is given here, world political industrial region. Now taking your next page, page number 58, we have major industries of the world. First is what? Iron and steel industry at Jamshedpur. That is Tata Iron and Steel Plant was set up by Jamshedji Tata, his name, in 1907. It is situated in Singhbum district at Jharkhand state, Jharkhand. Many factories favored the location of the first iron and steel plant in Jamshedpur. Second is what? Let us see, raw material. Iron ore, coal, manganese and limestone. These 4 are the main raw materials of iron and steel industry. All these materials are available in the region. Second is transport. Taking Jamshedpur is connected to the port city of Kolkata by the main railway line. Then how is the power? The Damodar Valley project provides electricity is given by Damodar Valley project. Labor, workers. Cheap labor is available from Bihar, West Bengal and Orissa. Next is major steel plants of India. Remember this and underline. Then Bokara Steel Plant, Jharkhand. That is Rurekha Steel Plant, Orissa. Durgapur Steel Plant, West Bengal. Bhilai Steel Plant, Durg, that is Chhattisgarh. Then Visvaraya Iron and Steel Limited, Karnataka. Underline it. Iron and steel industries at Detroit in USA. Detroit is situated in Michigan state of USA. In USA, it is famous for automobile industries and iron and steel industries. Now in this, raw material is brought from the Mesabi ranges through the Great Lakes. Limestone is available in the nearby islands in Lake Erie and Lake Huron. Water is also available from these lakes. Transport, well developed road and rail transport system is there. Market is also there in Detroit. Then there are many research, that is advertising and accounting facility. It has also good infrastructure. Now take your page number 59. Now textile industries in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is known as Manchester of India. Underline it, Manchester, because many textile industries are there. There are many textile because of good supply of cotton from Gujarat and Maharashtra due to humid climate, cheap labor and good market facilities there. Textile products are exported to other countries through Mumbai and Kandala ports. Why is Ahmedabad called Manchester of India? Because of these reasons. Point number one, it is situated in the heart of cotton growing area. This ensures the availability of raw material. Humid climate is ideal for spinning and weaving. Third, the flat terrain and easily available of land is suitable for establishment of mills. The densely populated states of Gujarat and Maharashtra provide both skilled and semi-skilled labor. Fifth is well-developed road and track rail network permits easy transportation. Next is textile industries in Osaka, Japan. Osaka is called the Manchester of Japan. How Manchester of India is Ahmedabad? Same way Osaka, Japan, it is called as what? Manchester, due to the textile industries. There are many textile industries due to the available of humid climate, labor, transportation and market. Osaka import cotton from Peru, USA, Egypt, India, etc. Osaka is a port city, so it also export the textile product to other countries. Osaka is called Manchester of Japan because first reason, warm humid climate is well situated to spinning and weaving. The river Yado provides sufficient water for the mill. Labor is easily available. Location of port facility. Cotton is imported from Egypt. Jute industry. Bangladesh, underline, is the largest producer of jute in the world. There are many jute mills in West Bengal. The first jute mill was set up by Rishra near Calcutta in 1855. Most of the jute mills are concentrated in a narrow belt along the Hooghly River. Near the Hooghly River only jute mills are there. Now, factors responsible for the jute industries in a Hooghly basin because of British merchant during the West Bengal business. After the Battle of Palasia, they developed jute industries. The geographical condition favorable to the growth jute in Hooghly Basin. Abundant supply of water is available due to Hooghly River. The cheap labor is easily available.